Welcome to 60secondllc.com, where we are changing the legacy, lifestyle, and culture in business management. We are a full-service company that offers facilities management outsourced solutions. Backed by ownership with over 12 years of experience in facilities management, we provide facilities management consulting services and alternatives to businesses. Our facilities support services include vendor management, commercial cleaning and maintenance, facilities information and technology management, project planning and management, fleet management, and facilities budget management. Types of businesses we serve: private and/or charter schools, private office and/or corporate businesses, privately owned healthcare and assisted living facilities. Our company is built to support both small business and corporate structured companies. Whether you're a small business startup looking to establish your facilities department or an existing company looking to outsource the management of your facility.